Metal thieves are grinding London to a halt. Public transport chaos, complete loss of power to homes and schools, and even hospitals where life-saving operations have been cancelled as a result. It's all thanks to metal theft, a material currently so in demand it's being stolen from across the capital. Everything from road signs to gravestone and memorial plaques.
Police estimate that it costs the UK economy somewhere in the region of £770 million a year. That's a loss to the economy through the theft of metal. In terms of communities, it's a significant problem for communities as well. Here in London, your viewers will be well aware of the problems with transportation services when metal thieves target the railway and steal copper, causing signalling problems.
It's a growing problem which up until now has proven difficult and time-consuming to crack. This is the real prize that metal thieves are after. It's copper wiring. Now, at the moment, a ton of this stuff sells for just over £4,000. So companies like Network Rail are starting to protect themselves. In London, they're using aerosols like this that have a unique forensic marker in them. It gets sprayed on the cable like that. And then if the cable's stolen, a UV light will be used to detect the marker on the cable. But of course, in a busy scrapyard that's piled high with lots of metal, it's very time-consuming. And that is where Jazz the dog comes in. Meet the police's new secret weapon, 2-year-old black lab Jazz and her trainer Mick, the first detection dog in the world to be trained to sniff out metals that have been forensically marked.
Small pieces of metal here that have been marked up with the SelectaDNA. This is the grease.
A dog like Jazz can search a whole scrapyard in a matter of a couple of hours.
Where is it? Good girl, good girl. That's a good girl.
Each one of the aerosols that we supply is completely unique in the forensic code, so that if that gets stolen and the police recover it, either from the criminals or from a scrapyard, it can be linked directly back to a half a kilometre or a kilometre stretch of railway to prove exactly where that item was stolen from.
Jazz.
The hope is that specially trained metal detector dogs like Jazz will give police the upper hand in their fight against metal theft. She, in the meantime, is rewarded with a game of catch for her efforts. If they pay off, commuters, hospitals and homes could be protected from the misery the metal thieves bring. Julie MacDonald, London Tonight.